Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 19. Wow. Amazing. Rolling along, having a great time doing it, right? Yes? Loving this? I think so too. So today we're going to talk about creating information products. Now, why is this under lead magnet school? Well, the thing is with lead magnets is they're essentially micro information products. So once you get the hang of creating lead magnets or making lead magnets and your business progresses here, you decide to create products of your own based on feedback that you've got or analysis of the market or people, answering surveys. You get to the point where essentially it's better for you to make your own product versus being an affiliate of someone else's because you can make a better product, right? So I'm going to show you, we're going to break this down because there's a lot to it here, and I'm trying to keep this course tight and as lean as possible. So we're going to do this in two sections here, today and tomorrow. So this first one, I'm going to show you kind of two ways that I do this as far as creating information products and how to do it super, super fast. So the first method that I use is called the why, what, how, if, then method, right? Rolls off the tongue. I love it too. So let's break down and look at each piece to this when you're planning this out. So it's real simple. If we were going to teach a process, like say how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days, I would use this type of process. So the first thing is I would do up some slides just like this, and the first slides would be dedicated to why, and I would just kind of brainstorm and come up with some reasons. So the first section, why, the purpose of it is to get them excited and it kind of future paces them. So why do you want to lose 10 pounds in 10 days? Well, in 10 days from now, you will look fantastic in your bathing suit. Your knees won't hurt as much when you go up the stairs because you're going to have more energy. You're going to feel better. Your pants are going to be looser. You're going to be able to finally get back into that outfit that you couldn't wear before, right? So just talk about some reasons why that this thing is going to be awesome, and kind of gets them, into it and excited, looking forward to what the results that they're going to get from this, right? So then I move on to the next phase, which is the what. So this is essentially what they need to do the thing that you're going to teach them. So if it's some tools that they need, if there's certain things that they need in order to accomplish what you're teaching, this is where you outline those things, what they need to get done. So in this case here, for our 10 pounds in 10 days, we're going to need a dozen grapefruit, we're going to need some laxatives, and we're going to need some adult diapers. That's it. We're just basically outlining what it is they need in order to get stuff done. So now the how, this is where we lay it out into the steps, how to do the actual 10 things. Step 1, put on the adult diaper. Step 2, peel yourself a couple grapefruits and start eating. Step 3, wash those grapefruit down with a laxative. Step 4, stay inside near your bathroom, right? That's it. Just break it all down into steps. And then just keep answering why. Well, why? Step 1, why do we need to eat the grapefruit? Well, this is what's going to kick off your metabolism and start the weight loss process. Step 2, eat the laxatives. Why? Well, the laxatives, everybody knows what those do. Step 3, make sure you've got your adult diaper on. Why? Well, so that things don't get messy. Right? And that's it. You just keep answering the question why until you can't when it comes to doing your steps. Now, last section I like to throw in is kind of an if-then. So if things go well, do this. If things don't go well, do this. If you lose weight too fast, call your doctor. If you lose weight too slow, you're probably taking the wrong type of pills or something. And that's it. That's all it is as far as this formula. And I've used it time and time again to make fantastic information products. And it really is that simple. Now, pro tip, what you can do is throw in some sections at the end where if there's like some tips, some tricks, frequently asked questions, things to avoid, anything you can will take it from, great to over the top. So if you got tips and tricks that you can throw in, add those in as well. But that's really how simple it is to do this. So I want your homework is to plan out your own product or your own, even if you don't have one, even if it's just a kind of a pretend one, just come up with your own type of product using this method here. So I will include some type of sample under this video so you can kind of see how I did this, how I use this process in action myself. And you can kind of use that for inspiration here. So we will talk about the next way, part 2 of creating information products in the next video, and I will see you in that one.